We're joined now by our renovation and design experts, our duo here on Your Money Live. They're here to answer your questions once again. Auction Day host and interior designer James Treble and Renovating for Profit founder Cherie Barber.
Welcome, guys.
Yeah.
Good to see you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We're kicking off this week, James, with you. Botanical trend.
Yeah.
Everywhere at the moment.
It is everywhere, and it's about bringing the outside in, but it's just a beautiful trend for Australia because there's so many ways to incorporate it into our homes, okay? So it's something that comes around all the time. It's like from the 1800s when they used to have botanical prints on the walls, but this is a much funkier way. So you can see here beautiful oversized prints. This is Mr. Steve Cordoni's study, very talented Australian designer. Beautiful oversized prints, large format. So you're playing with scale here. This is a really modern twist, and it's about overfilling the space. So filling it with large plants, and for people who don't want to put, physical plants inside, you achieve these in different ways with very strong images. So the idea of the trend as a new take is really concentrating them into a space. So you almost end up with a green room, but there's so many ways to incorporate this in the home. Beautiful motifs on cushions, objects that have palm prints and oversized flowers. Fantastic for bedding. This is a beautiful another one by Kerry Brown, an Australian designer. She's so clever and lovely. But look at those beautiful monstera leaves that are just so oversized, and they're great for styling inside as well. Big oversized leaves in vases for your dinner table and for accent pieces when you're styling your homes, especially important when you're using interior design for profit when you're selling your homes.
More
but
subtle
even there,
way to do it there.
much more subtle. This is more you, Brooke. Beautiful prints that are in soft muted tones, a little plant by the side, and hanging plants, which was so big in the 70s with macrame, which we say macrame, but it's macrame, Chris. Hanging plants, and it's a nice way to use it. What do you think about it all?
Oh, look, definitely what I do know is that the trends are to bring nature inside. It evokes a sense of calm and peace, and we all need more of that in our lives. So definitely there's a trend. People are going to more organic shapes, more organic colours. They don't want the really harsh man-made materials. So I love the botanicals. I have them in one of my properties, and it's just my happy place.
Yeah,
So
it's a perfect word, happy place.
And you've talked to us before about even rentals that can have this type of wallpaper that's easy to kind of put on and put off, even if you're renting.
Yes, there's a company called Lux Walls, and they do, it's almost like post-it note wallpaper. You can get varying levels of tack, but great for the renters out there, and they definitely have botanical wallpapers where you can apply it DIY, and then when you leave, you can actually rip it off and take it with you to your next place.
Even for kind of owner-occupiers, because I'm thinking you might like that for what, like a year?
No, I disagree. Really? Look, this one's Kerry Brown. This is permanent. I mean, this is an investor, but for a higher-end property in a bigger market, I think it's a statement. I think it's going to be around for quite a while.
Okay.
And the point that you made about your happy place, you can bring the greenery in because it's just like bringing plants from inside out and blurring the lines between inside and out. So green is almost a colour that goes with everything, and it just makes you feel calm and, in our crazy, busy lives.
Yeah, and especially if you have like green velvets and stuff, very luxurious. And this is where you can make a very ordinary property, make it look extraordinary just through different fabrics like velvet, which are very luxe.
And lower the blood pressure at the same time.
Sounds beautiful. Now